freshness verified on this crate.
Okay, separate the ones with skin breaks. We need to maintain the premium line.
Continue. Our team meticulously checks for car color, size, and firmness. Any defective fruit is immediately removed to ensure.
Automated sorting machines begin operation. Sensors scan each guava, size and quality classification. Guava levels look good. Record the agitation speed. Done. We are cleared for the next phase.
Guava pulp and sugar enter mixing kettles. Large paddles rotate continuously. Ingredients blend.
Viscosity checks out.
Perfect, we can approve the batch.
Temperature is stable at 95.2. Matches the golden standard. Record the sample weight.
Product stability is increasing just as projected.
The airflow adjustment made a difference.
We're really moving today, almost full. Yes, keep them coming.
Loaded trucks depart the factory. Vehicles head toward markets. The camera tracks moving shipments.